No, because you got to give every, because I'm recording. I don't want it.
Yeah.
Do I go back in the line?
Oh, okay.
It's going to be tough. Nice. Wow. I think I made it too hard, huh?
Too much.
Yeah, you got it.
You got it.
You gotta let it go.
Just come this way.
That was harder than I thought. I thought I was gonna be able to just hook the tire.
Make easy gates and drive with one hand, see what you can do. You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be hard for you.
Why? Oh, this? I don't think I can do this. It's too wide.
Because you're gonna have to get more this way.
I already see how I'm gonna try to come in.
Take your time.
What does this mean? What is this?
Don't hit the gate. You gotta go all the way back.
From this side.
You could work it. Where's your battery?
No.
Yeah, that's why you had to claim more this way.
So you gotta watch his rear. You don't want to fall into that hole, then just
Yep. A grip, a grip, a grip. Rely on the trenchers. Pushing, what's pushing you down?
Body. Everything you did yesterday, put that away. Just start over again. And when you're 10 years old, like
Just work it, just work it.
And the only reason why I wanted it is because I was too tired of running.
Oh, now it's your front one. You got it though.
I can afford
Now, hey. You gotta go back. Back of the line.
But now I got it.
Damn, Dima's truck looks small.
So I could do this all day. Just pick them one line.
Oh, no, you don't. Nope. Yours is white?
See how he does it with the wide truck.
Come on.
Because you got two Capra axles.
975?
But your truck is wider than a Capra though.
Then it's a shorter than mine.
Yeah, because look at his Capra. It's narrow.
Oh, he might have different rims, yeah.
Well, I see he has SCX2 axles.
No, I had a couple of Corona batteries, and then I have my Sanyo 7 back.
It lifts it.
That 75 back in. That would be like, what was it? What was like a?
You got it, you got it.
33 or 3 minutes.
Watch out for that gate. It's really
The
close.
fucking tires are like, they lean really far. When you turn, it'll touch that gate.
It's crazy watching me try to grip.
Yeah. Yeah, it's wild from that end, huh?
At least you wear it now, your tire's good. We're getting them in.
You can get the Tamari kit. It's a remake.
Ah, fucker! Back of the line. I got up it, but I hit that gate. It's too narrow for me.
No, it's hard.
It's hard and it's too narrow for me.
Negative G, nice and easy, nice and easy. You got SCX2 axles on there?
No.
Yeah, Vinny, your truck looks so wide compared to his.
Same shit.
No, it's a little bit
It's a
wider.
1/4 inch wider.
It's the body, that's what it is. Body.
It's a 1/4 inch wider. It's like an 1/8 on each side wider, maybe 3/16.
Yeah, you want to get that tire here.
Ponte por este lado, man. Ponte.
I can get it.
This is where you want to get your tires.
Touching that gate.
Here.
A little bit.
For the sand score, yeah.
I don't know, that's what I'm driving.
I'm backing up, I'm not blocking anybody.
Tiene que comenzar de aquí, ajá. Ya que el carro ruede, pues
That one here.
ahora dale para la derecha.
Claro, dale, dale. Eso va a meterlo yo ahora. Para dar topa a la
Bro, you
derecha.
shut my tailgate, right?
What?
You shut my tailgate?
Tailgate? Yeah. Simplest possible. Tailgate shot? Crazy?
Straight.
I got too much in that.
You're trying to go in that crack. No, I locked it.
I know.
I know.
You got it.
You got it, you got it.
Yeah.
You got it.
The other two
It's going.
upset about
Man, that thing is twisted as fuck.
Oh, so it was April last year that Lucky Boat
Holy shit, the flex of that.
see, I want a well one, but I'll never get it to look like this. Then, like a month later, I get it and use that color. They're releasing his same exact one.
Yeah, you gotta go back. Go to the back.
Back door, Jack.
Yeah.
Tú la tenías bien.
Did he move it?
Huh?
Did he move it or just touch
No,
it?
just us.
And now I'm hearing that's limited.
Why, you gonna make it more difficult? Put it right here?
No, we gotta put
Imagine
it
right
back.
there?
Next time I'm gonna bring trucks, so we mark the circles around the cone.
I have it in my, I think I have it.
Don't need it. If anything, you move it, then we move it. Está bien cerca.
No pressure.
Yeah. He's like,
Oh, be careful, you're really close.
And I'm not the whole purpose. I don't understand. $400. It's not worth $400.
I thought this was gonna be easier.
That's what I'm saying. I don't really want it that bad. I know if they sell the parts separately now. The silver one, so.
Just you did it, right, John? No, put it where it belongs. If we're gonna move anything, move this one out. That's the one I need out of my way.
Come on, Corrupt. You'll end the corrupt food down, bro. I'm very upset at you.
You got this. There's no pressure, bro. No pressure. Nobody's watching.
Nobody's watching.
Nobody's watching. There's no camera on. Nothing.
Guess what? Emotional damage.
emotional damage.
Nobody's watching. Camera's not even on.
The other way around, yeah.
You got this, bro.
Not gonna work. It's got to go bigger.
Just work those sides, that side of the tire.
It's basically like a version of the hole.
Wow, see that tire flex?
How much you put
Look, there it goes again.
so you don't build it with that.
Wrap that tire.
You're the one that pointed out about the Japanese spec.
There you go, that's what you need.
Marty.
Weird memories from
It hasn't hit nothing.
Very much.
Touched. Touch. Wah, wah, wah. Here we go, watch me touch.
You're gonna get stuck halfway.
I didn't understand.
I can get through the gate, I just can't get past this fucking this tennis ball on my right.
You got it.
That thing scared me because the hobby shop guy said, all right, here's a JIS screwdriver or whatever. And he gave me the guy had a ton of them. Okay.
You gotta get rid of your torque twist.
I mean, it was regular, but when I was a little kid, I just wanted to
Nice. Nice and easy.
And we called it, me and my friends called it a good.
There's no pressure. Nobody's watching. Nobody's watching.
Nobody.
Nothing.
I didn't understand.
Nobody's watching.
Nice.
Nobody's watching me.
The camera's watching. Nice and
Nobody's
easy.
watching.
Nice.
Nobody's watching.
Nice.
Right off that motherfucker. That was the G-shot.
You're lucky we're on camera. No comment.
I don't see no weather corrupt and getting up that.
Ref was the first one, the first
It's all
shot.
right, it's all right, it's all right. You were the first one. I did it on my second try.
Because I gave Vinny and I have more.
You got it. Me? Yeah, nice and easy, nice and easy.
Okay.
Suavecito. Suavecito. You will twist on that car.
Another set at home. Remember, yours is on your back, so that's all. Nice.
I don't say fuck color because I got color tacos. That's like.
It was good.
Claro, la pusiste de mí, ya te fuiste.
See? Everything's always doable. Watch, the next one I'm going to do with a winch. Watch with me.
I'm proud of myself because I did it. And that's not an easy line.
No.
You do it too. What the hell?
You did it too, right? Yeah.
Three of us so far.
I
was the only one that. Let me go for you.
Yeah. I couldn't do gate one.
Wait a minute.
Which mirror?
Te suelto la cocina ya.
After this.
No, yo compré como yo traje los mulitos, se los cociné y ahí se los dejé.
Anybody want to set up the next gate? Ben, you want to do the next one? Gate?
One more. We do gates until the sail run starts.
Nah, oh. Yo, you go too fast. You gotta slow it down.